Here we have a problem that says graph the inequality y is greater than or equal to negative 4x minus 1. And it's already given to us in slope-intercept form. But we want to remember what this inequality is actually saying. This is saying that y is equal to negative 4x minus 1. And it's saying that y is also greater than negative 4x minus 1. So everything on the linear equation negative 4x minus 1, or y equals negative 4x minus 1, on that line is part of the solution set. And then all y's greater than negative 4x minus 1, all points that make this statement true, are also part of the solution set. So given that it is already in slope-intercept form, we can just identify our starting point, which is our y-intercept, which would be written as the coordinate 0, negative 1. Starting at the origin, we go 0 horizontally and down 1, the point 0, negative 1. And from there, we can identify our slope, which is our negative 4. Again, going back to slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is our y-intercept. So negative 4 is our slope, but recall what slope is saying. It is the change in y over the change in x, or rise over run. So this is a negative 4 over 1, because any integer can be expressed as a fraction just by putting it over 1, because negative 4 divided by 1 is still negative 4. So from this starting point, our y-intercept, we could go down 4 and positive 1 to the right. So it would be down 1, 2, 3, 4, and a positive 1 to the right. And recall also that we could apply this negative value to the x, the change in x. If so, we would go up positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over negative 1 to the left. And we'll go ahead and do a few more points. That way it looks a little bit better. We would go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1 to the left. And then down here, down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 over to the right. So the line is going to look something like this when we connect it. And I am drawing this in as a full line and not a dashed line, because we see that it is an inequality that is y is greater than or equal to. So it also, all the points that lie on this line are in the solution set. Now we just have to figure out which direction we need to shade. It's saying that all y is greater than this line. So any point on this line, the y's greater than the line would be included. So everything above the line would be shaded. And to check our solution, we can use a point inside the shaded region to check to see if that's true. The easiest one would be the origin that is included in the shaded region. So the point 0, 0. We can plug back into y is greater than negative 4x minus 1. And we would plug in 0 for y and 0 for x and solve. 0 is greater than or equal to negative 4 times 0 is 0, leaving you with a negative 1. 0 is greater than negative 1, and this checks out.